Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't posted in a while, I was just busy. Yeah, that was a complete lie. I just did not feel like making one at all. Like, at all. Like, I've only played like 3 times anyway, so. I'm in the new update. I know there's a new update before this, but I just went, scratch that. I just didn't really feel like it. Anyways, I'm back. Hopefully. I'm probably going to forget to make a video, like, again after this one. But somebody recognized me, I think. I mean, I'm not sure if it was the right person, but somebody recognized me. And I was flabbergasted, bro. So, that's why I'm making this video, really. But still, anyway, it's got me to make this video, so I'm gonna stop talking and just go right into playing.
Oh, he went in his menu. He went in his menu. No,
he's turned on his mods. Come on.
What is going on right now?
That's all it is.
Bro, am I the only one confused right now?
Nope.
I jumped over him.
Come on.
Elliot?
Yes!
Okay.
Yeah, I just wanted to like a British accent, but alrighty. That works. I hate myself. I also got this new duck, which makes it so I can't see at all. Like, I can't see downwards unless it looks like straight down. But I kind of regret buying it. It was. I thought it was gonna make me float, man. So I bought it, and I regret everything.
Bro, I post on Facebook Live. Please get it right.
Facebook Live? What the heck?
Yeah, me and him do collabs on Facebook Live all the time.
I am
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest
flabbergasted.
Every day we live stream.
I'm gonna be honest with you, both of you.
Like my grandparents. Yeah. No, we have like.
Oh, my Facebook Live. You mean my Facebook Live?
Bro, Facebook Live.
Shout out my live stream, you know, XX.
Bro is a mom. Bro, they are moms.
Yeah, there's XX3301XX and we have XXH.
No, your name is ugly. Your name is. No, his name. And your name is idiotic. Triple H. He didn't let me tag him. I had to put money into my own hands. It's tag.
I gotta fix my.
I hate everything and.
I hate this world. I hate this life.
What? Are you trying? Did bro just say, how can I get you? No. I'm not. I dropped my controller.
Oh my god, he dropped his controller, bro. I'm going after him.
Okay. What's up, Dad?
I don't know where he is.
I bet everyone in this server. My speed is zero. Yo, I have a question. Monkey. Yo, I hate you, I hate you that you're white people. Well, thank goodness I'm 90% white.
Got tagged. Let's go.
Finish that scene. Guess what? I'm not even white, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Bro, what is happening right now? Bro, this is an argument between 2 5-year-olds.
Okay. I'm not white, bro.
Let's go.
What is wrong? I come over to take a break, bro. Everyone's always after me.
Bro, you sound like some creepy old man in a.
No, what the heck? Bro. Oh. Oh. Bro, he is just going in a circle, bro.
Bro, why are you like tricking? Here, hit the crease and then jump. Oh, nah, he shoot me. Nah. Okay, I'm gonna take this level. I'm gonna take this level in disrespect. Here, now I'm gonna take Lucio off the map. I'm just letting you pass it. Only one time.
Yeah! Let's go! I knew you ain't getting away that time, bro. Ain't no way you're getting away that time.
There, I saw you peek, so I stopped and then you jumped.
I call myself though. I call myself, and that's what allowed me to tag you.
It was just beautiful.
What was the sound? It was probably.
Oh my god.
Bro, when you go under the water in this game, it's like you're jumping in full power cannonball, even though if you're just hipping your toes in.
You did it. You did it. How do you do it?
No!
How do you do it?
You just gotta be good at Lucioing. If you're
Whee! Bro, this video is gonna take forever to edit. It's literally like 40 minutes long. But anyways, I think I'm gonna end it here because I don't want to take forever to edit this. I hope it's not completely boring and rubbish, but oh, what? Crap. Alrighty. Bye-bye. I'll see you next time, if there is a next time. Sorry that I haven't posted in like 12 years, but yeah.